Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at National Toronto Airport again, and we're just going to take a look at the cars they have available today. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and if you want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. We're working our way closer every video up to 1,000. Alright, we'll get started here. And premier selection today, we have a Range Rover. Not sure how to pronounce it, but it's a Velar. And we have a Polestar, white Polestar here, all electric. Mercedes C200, 220, A220. And we'll just go down the executive aisle here. Got a Mitsubishi Ford Edge, a couple Ford Edges. It's gonna be it could be a long video today. They have a ton of cars, and we got an Explorer. It's always great to see the larger SUVs in the aisle. We got a couple more Escapes here, an Edge. What is this, a Colorado pickup truck? It's got 4 doors on it. GMC. Beside this Escape here. Yeah, I think it might be the GMC version of the Colorado. Oh wow, man, we got pickup trucks. We got everything today. F-150 XLT here. I know a lot of you guys want to see inside the trucks and the SUVs. Oh, there's another one over there too. We'll just take a quick look at this XLT here. It smells pretty new. Let's have a look at the mileage in a second. This is actually pretty nice. Oh, okay, it's got, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's got 10 kilometers on it, so about 6 miles. Doesn't get much newer than that. For all we know, it hasn't even been in the rain yet. Okay, and then there's the back seat. We'll take a quick look at that other one too. It might also be brand new. Yeah, I wonder if some of these Edges and some of these other ones are new. Great to see lots of new stuff coming in here. There's another, and the Overflow, there's another Gladiator over there. We've got a Mitsubishi, Mazda 6, GMC, is it an Acadia or a Train? Another Malibu. The Malibus are fairly new. Escape. Actually, looking by the license plate, this Escape might be new too. Anything that starts with a CV, YYZ for the third letter is probably pretty new. Or maybe not. Okay, this one's got about 10,000 on it. As I squeeze my way through here. Alright, we'll come back. Don't let me forget. We'll come back to all these trucks. That's the side of the aisle. Let's do the other side of the executive aisle. And I got some time today. We'll try and do the Overflow in some of the other sections here. See if I can find a better way to split up these videos so they're not so long. We've got a Kia here, a couple more Malibus, another F-150 XLT. This one probably brand new as well. Got a Malibu, Escape, Edge, Escape, Malibu. If you're looking for a Malibu, an Escape, or an Edge, today's your day. We got a Hyundai Elantra, Dodge Ram Hemi, pickup truck, Ford Edge, RAV4, another Edge, one of these VW wagons, Hyundai Santa Fe, another RAV4 coming in here. What are these GMC pickup trucks? That's awesome. The one of the workers there is just giving me a wave. We got a sorry, lost track here. We got a Mitsubishi, we got a RAV4, Trailblazer, and let's just take a quick peek at this GMC pickup truck here. It's got, oh, it's still got some miles on, and it's in miles too. Okay, 28,000 miles. So this is getting up there. Probably got about 40,000 kilometers on it. Let's see what this is, and then I'll work my way over to one of the other aisles. Canyon. Okay. Okay, guys, it's a Canyon. All right. Okay, this is the regular Emerald aisle, and we'll start things off here with a Trailblazer. Still a lot of cars to go. If you're gonna watch the whole video, maybe sit back, relax, grab some popcorn. This could be a long one. Actually, another thing you guys can do, you can certainly, if you want, you can watch them in higher speed. YouTube gives you an option to watch them at a higher speed. There's actually one of those Sonata Sports. they're actually a lot of fun. You've either got the glass roof or the sunroof. You got the performance wheels on it, blacked out trim. We got another Edge. One of these compact Buick SUVs. 2 of them here. I think we got another Mitsubishi coming down looking for a parking spot. And we got a Toyota. Escape. Another of these Buick SUVs. Mitsubishi's pulling in down there. Here's another one. And we got a Ford Escape RAV4. Another Escape coming through here. And yeah, there's some people down there, so I won't go down any further, but there's a Jeep Compass. And pretty much similar to what we've seen. Okay, let's pick things up here with National down at the end. Sign says mid-size, but so many cars right now, they just park things wherever they can. Got a Corolla, Trailblazer, we got an Escape, and here's another of these Kia electric Konas. Good to see those. We got another Colorado here. We got an Expedition, a couple Expeditions here. What else? A bunch of Expeditions. Maybe we'll take a peek at one of these Expeditions here. And might be a Denali Durango. And this looks actually like a newer one. So license plate is CVZ or Z. Oh, strike one. It's locked. We'll see if any of these others are open. I think this is probably a limited. Yeah, limited Expedition. This one, I think it's got the same wheels on it. Sorry, let me go around this one here. See if any of these are open for you guys. I have a feeling these might all be locked. I don't even... Can I squeeze through? Yeah, it's kind of tight. Actually, there's a couple down at the end. Maybe one of those aren't locked at the end. Got Denali here. Durango with a Hemi. Minivan. Yukon XL. With the upgraded wheels on it. Sorry, I'm just trying not to get run over here. Is this one locked? Yeah, that one's... I wonder if these could all be locked. I'll try one of these guys at the end. Okay, we got an older Expedition and a newer one. I have a feeling this is probably locked too. Yeah, these are all locked. Sorry guys, but we'll find, eventually we'll find some. Got somebody coming through here with a Santa Fe. Okay, why don't I walk back through the Overflow? So these are cars that will eventually go into the aisle and reserve and whatever. So there's an XT5 in there. There's a Passat, Forte, Corolla, Kia Sorento, Durango RT, another SUV over there, minivan, looks like a Wrangler, Malibu, there's that Gladiator, that nice burgundy color. We got a Camry. Oh, that's a Grand Cherokee all the way at the end, that darker gray or whatever color that is. And we got a Terrain, we got an Escape, a couple of Escapes over there. All right, okay, so that covers the Overflow.